Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasySpeak podcast. I'm so happy to be here again. Today feels like a good day to talk about something important.
Hello, Claudia. And hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It's great to have you here. You sound very positive today.
I am. Maybe it's the weather, or maybe it's because I really like today's topic.
That's perfect, because today's topic is one that many English learners struggle with. Today we are talking about motivation versus consistency.
Ooh, that sounds serious. Motivation and consistency. Two big words with big meanings.
Yes, big words, but don't worry. We're going to keep everything simple and practical, as always here on EasySpeak podcast.
Good. I like simple. Simple ideas are easier to remember and easier to use in real life.
Exactly. But before we begin, let's ask our listeners for a small favor.
Yes. If you enjoy this podcast and find it helpful, please subscribe to Easy Speak podcast and share this episode with a friend.
Maybe share it with someone who wants to learn English but keeps starting and stopping.
We all know someone like that.
All right, let's begin, Claudia. How would you explain motivation?
Motivation is a feeling. It's that strong excitement you feel when you start something new. You feel energy. You feel confident. You think, yes, this time I will really do it.
That sounds very familiar. I feel that way every January.
Exactly. Motivation often comes at the beginning. You buy books, you download apps, you make big plans.
Like saying, I will study English for 2 hours every day.
Yes, and in the beginning, you really believe it.
But then something happens. Life happens.
Yes, work gets busy, you feel tired, you miss one day, then you miss another day, and slowly, the motivation disappears.
That's the problem with motivation. It's powerful, but it doesn't last.
I like to think of motivation like fire. It's warm and exciting, but if you don't take care of it, it goes out very fast.
That's a great image. So if motivation is fire, what is consistency?
Consistency is action. It's not a feeling. It's doing something small again and again, even when you don't feel excited.
Even when you feel tired?
Especially when you feel tired. Consistency means you show up anyway.
Can you give us an example from real life?
Of course, think about brushing your teeth.
That example never fails.
Do you wake up excited to brush your teeth?
No, I just do it.
Exactly. You don't need motivation. It's a habit. That's consistency.
So consistency is about habits, not emotions.
Yes, and this is very important for English learners
Why is that?
because many learners wait for motivation. They think, I'll study when I feel inspired. But inspiration doesn't come every day.
That's true. Some days you feel great, and some days you just want to rest.
And that's normal. We are human, not robots. The key is to make your study plan small and realistic.
How small are we talking?
Very small. 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
That sounds too easy.
Yeah, exactly. It should feel easy. If it feels easy, you will do it every day.
So, 5 minutes of English every day is better than 2 hours once a week?
100%. 5 minutes every day builds a habit. 2 hours once a week feels heavy and easy to avoid.
I like that. Small steps feel friendly.
Yes, and small steps add up. Imagine reading one page of an English book every day.
That's 365 pages in 1 year.
Exactly. That's several full books, just from one small habit.
Wow, when you think about it that way, it feels powerful.
That's the magic of consistency.
Is there a trick to stay consistent?
Yes, I love this one. Use a calendar.
The calendar trick.
Every day you study English, even for 5 minutes. You put a big X on that day.
And after a few days, you see a chain of X's.
Exactly. And you don't want to break the chain.
It becomes a little game with yourself.
Hehehe, yes. And when you see your progress, you feel proud.
But what if you miss a day?
This is very important. Listen carefully. Missing one day is okay.
That's good to hear.
Really, life happens. You get sick. You travel. It's normal.
So what's the rule?
Never miss 2 days in a row.
That's a great rule.
One missed day is a mistake. 2 missed days can become a habit.
Wow, that's very true.
And one more important idea. Perfection is the enemy of consistency.
Say that again.
Perfection is the enemy of consistency. If you try to be perfect, you will quit. If you try to be good enough, you will continue.
Good enough? Sounds comfortable.
It is. And consistency works not only for English.
Like exercise?
Yes, or cleaning your house.
I don't like cleaning.
Most people don't. But 10 minutes a day is much easier than 4 hours on Saturday.
That makes sense.
Consistency keeps your life balanced. It reduces stress. It builds confidence.
So, the final message is clear. Motivation is fun, but consistency brings results.
Exactly. You don't need to run fast. You just need to keep walking.
Like the turtle, not the rabbit.
Yes, be the turtle.
All right, let's do a quick recap.
Motivation is a feeling. Consistency is an action.
Start small.
Do it every day.
Don't break the chain.
And if you do, don't quit.
Thank you, Claudia. This was a great conversation.
Thank you, John. And thank you to everyone listening.
Remember, don't wait for motivation. Just show up today.
Yeah, See you in the next episode of EasySpeak podcast. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Be consistent.